I'm going to show you how to clean and fix the Fidlock bottle tap because sometimes it's hard to understand how these parts work. So we have this part here that you can remove and you can wash. You have to take it out here, but there is also something, a small rubber inside that you have to take out, like this one. So there is this little rubber that goes inside also here, and there is this part here that you have to remove. So basically you have to take something that you can put inside, like this round surface, and then push it back, and then it goes out. Okay, so you have these three parts that you can wash with a brush or soap or anything to keep it clean. So basically you have this one, and then you have this one and this one. So what you have to do to reassemble it is you put the rubber in this position like this, so it fits perfectly in this. So you put this, you fit this here, okay, like this, and then you put it here like this from downwards, and then you push it and it clips and it's back here. You have the safety valve or the clean valve, and then you put it here and it's back. So you can take it out. I'm gonna show you again. You take this out, and then you can take out the rubber, or you can push everything down. Sometimes, whoops. Oh, it's down here. I have these three parts. And then you wash, clean, and then put the rubber back and put it this way here. And then the tap.